This is the Centrex by Pioneer, model TH-303 AM/FM stereo receiver and 8-track player. Very good condition all around. No bad dents or scratches anywhere on it. Just a little bit, tiny little dent there if you can see it. There it is. All the lights work, including the stereo indicator. I've cleaned all the controls with deoxit so there's no scratchy noises. Good sound out of both left and right channels. Stereo indicator lamp working, as I said.
This initial election, George McGovern choosing Thomas.
The 8-track player I've disassembled, cleaned all the old grease out, and I had to repair the head carriage. It has one of those plastic ones, and I did the proper re-gluing and then metal tape surrounding it so it does not ever cause a problem again. All the track lights work. And the phono input works just great too. Really nice little stereo.